Breaking free from narcissistic abuse requires a thoughtful and multi-step approach. Here are 5 crucial steps to consider. Recognize the abuse. Acknowledge the narcissistic behavior and its impact on your life. Understand the manipulation, gaslighting, and emotional abuse. Establish boundaries. Set clear limits to protect yourself from further abuse. This may involve distancing yourself or establishing strict communication boundaries. Seek support. Surround yourself with people who support and validate your experiences. This can include friends, family, or a therapist. Rebuild self-esteem. Focus on rebuilding your self-worth through self-care, affirmations, and activities that bring you joy. Create a safety plan. Develop a plan for leaving the abusive situation, including financial support, a safe place to stay, and emotional support. If you or someone you know is experiencing narcissistic abuse, seeking professional help can be beneficial. Don't forget to subscribe and share.